Chemical displacement reaction. Activity 1.9. For this activity, we want copper sulfate, iron nails, boiling test tubes. Take some copper sulfate into a boiling test tube, add some water, stir the contents. We see blue color solution is formed. Add some more copper sulfate to the boiling test tube. Add some more water to the boiling test tube. Shake well. So this solution is called copper sulfate aqueous solution. Means copper sulfate in the form of solution state. In solution state, copper ions and sulfate ions are present. So divide the copper sulfate solution into two halves. Place an iron nail tied with thread. Dip into the copper sulfate solution. Keep one iron nail aside. After 10 minutes, take out the iron nail dipped in the copper sulfate solution. Look at the iron nail. It is brownish because iron displaces copper on the in the copper sulfate solution. The copper deposited on the iron nail. So iron displaces from copper sulfate solution. Iron displaces copper. Copper is deposited on the iron nail. So it is called a displacement reaction. In a displacement reaction in which one element displaces from another compound.